Look, 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 look. Oh Lord, I'm just gonna back up right here. I'm gonna back up into that little cul-de-sac. Or that little, whatever it is. He said this is County Services Road, and this is where the county provides all the services. So there may be some ambulance coming up, fire trucks, whatever. I got to park in the middle of the road, so hopefully this won't be problematic. We'll see what we can do. We'll get something done, even if it's wrong. That worked out pretty good. I gotta get my truck just past this driveway right here. This is where I'm winding my straps up at. She's still supervising, but they're getting started over here. He's working on it. They didn't leave the code to that other big lift. Come over here. Let Miss Roxy walk him in it. Maybe she can fertilize their grass for them. I don't see a coffee shop anywhere around. Any other town, there'd be a Dunkin' Donuts and a Starbucks on every corner. I see nothing. Nothing, nothing. Oh well. There he is, getting another layer off. She's full of piss and vinegar this morning. He's bringing me my bills back. Good, good, good. I'll sign them and get my depart made. Come back. Roxy, don't. Y'all see her? She said, I'm gonna level this ground out for y'all. Oh. She's so silly. Oh, Roxy. She's like, leave me alone. Ew, yuck. You silly thing. All right. You okay? Oh, y'all look at her. She's, what's going on? She swallowed some dirt? I hope that's all she did. She was like dry heaving. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's yucky. Come on, let's go get you some water. Well, let's let him get this off of here. You can suffer for a minute. Maybe you won't eat no more dirt. Come back. No, we're done with the dirt. She's so silly. Whoa, heifer. No. Wild woman. She's my wild child. Goof. You're a goof. You're hog tying yourself. Yeah, you're hog tying yourself. Look at you. He's getting it done. This guy got lucky. He got quite the load too. She's entertaining herself, jumping up and down this pile of dirt. Come over. Oh, my dog. That was that deer in the headlight. Look, she was cold caught. She's so silly. It's entertaining her though. He's making progress. There's 4 of us here now. Darn, I'm glad I got here early. Hell yeah. Another one for the girls and Prime. Be faster if he could figure out how to get that one over there started. He got the wipers to work. She said, hello, any rabbits down there? There he goes with some more.
You didn't call it.
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine. It's a girl?
Yeah.
I was at the pilot in Milford, Connecticut about a month ago. Not even a month. And I had my dog on one of those. I stopped there to fuel up, grab something to eat, and we had just got my dog. It was his birthday. We had just got him some ice cream, a Happy Meal. We let him. And I was coming through the park lot. I had him on one of those. He was stretched behind me. Guy came through the parking lot speed and hit my dog, killed my dog, bro.
Oh my God.
I swear to God, man. I swear to God.
Did you beat his ass?
Almost went. He was speeding and he was on his phone. Almost went to jail.
My bad.
It wasn't. Hold on, I'll have to get my
Bring
phone.
your rain gear, Al.
Did I?
Yeah.
It's been the rain on it. I was looking at it earlier. I was hoping it'd go north of it.
Oh, don't say that.
What I need signed and where?
Well, I don't. Carrier driver's signature right there.
Customer signature. Right here.
Yeah, customer signature.
I'm not the customer, but
He works for the company, so he knows. Well, you're not the customer, but you're receiving it for whoever.
you're the second.
Yes. You're wearing the hat of the receiver today,
I know.
or the.
No problem.
You have to get you some different
What
color.
time is it? 8 what?
8:15. Have to get you a different color hard hat when you get on the forklift. Put a blue one on, and you know when you're going to be boss, you could put a. Here, I think this is all I get.
I know. And I get the
Yeah.
rest of it.
Is it just 101?
When the rain's supposed to be here?
At 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, get out of that. Here, hold her for a minute. Let me go get my phone. I'll let you know. Iffy. She is so attached to me. I can't even. Oh Lord, look at your feet, Roxy. I guess she's like, don't leave me. Let me get her over here in this grass. Don't get back in that dirt. I started out company, then I went lease, but I bought this truck. I paid it off in less than 3 years, so. Oh, I own it now. I got the title in the truck.
That's the way to go.
So everybody talks about it's just a scam, but I mean, a lot of people don't want to admit that they're failures. They got to find somebody. I just tell them, I'm like, well, you know, the blonde did it without a problem. And they talk about the big balloon payment we have. Yeah, it was huge. It was $100. So, you know.
My favorite guys that did it when I was there, they didn't have a problem with it.
So, but
I never did it. I went in, when I started, I went in to get out in 2 years.
Wow.
Local.
Yeah.
And money kept getting better and better and better.
Yeah. Y'all see that? They have had a minor miscalculation. That's why you can't stay around the vehicles. Y'all look at Roxy. She's eyeing me up. So when they were picking up what fell over on the side, the worker, he went to drop some of it after they got it out of the road, and he cut his hand, so they've had to take him to the hospital, and this superintendent said they're not allowed to help him. So I guess I'll be helping him unload the rest of this. If I want to leave here today. Those that were in the road, I helped him, I helped the forklift driver, the lift driver, lift him up out of the road onto the forklift, lift. All these fellas just sat in their trucks and watched. I hope they enjoyed the show, because the superintendent told me I was probably the only one getting out of here today, that they weren't allowed to help these guys. And so now it's a one-man show. Y'all, so when they were picking up what fell over on the side, the worker, he went to drop some of it after they got it out of the road, and he cut his hand, so they've had to take him to the hospital, and this superintendent said they're not allowed to help him. So I guess I'll be helping him unload the rest of this. If I want to leave here today. He said we're doing 3. I don't know how much help I'll be to him. Yeah. So, oh, I can't see nothing. Back. You got 4. No. You got 4.
Tilt it back. There you go. Keep it tilted.
He said he only wanted 3. That's 4, so. You need to tilt it. Okay. His fork is not under that piece right there, though.
I know.
it. He said we're doing 3. I can't. Yeah. I don't know how much help I'll be to him. Yeah. So. Oh, I can't see nothing. It. Back. Back. You got 4. No. You got 4. Okay.
Tilt it back. There you go. Keep it tilted.
He said he only wanted 3. That's 4, so. You need to tilt it. Okay. His fork is not under that piece right there, though.
I know.
Did he take your phone number? Is he gonna call you?
What?
Did he take your phone number? Is he gonna call you? What's he gonna do?
Just told me to come after that guy behind you gets unloaded for me to come next.
Well, he said one could probably stay in the street, and you're next. The guy told him 1 could stay. I'm fixing to leave, so if he comes up, you should be able to stay.
Yeah. How long do you like for before you leave?
He's got 2 boxes to take off, so look, take your time doing that. I would go up there and ask the guy, so am I going to be able to stay? I would go ask him, because you know, he's got that stuff that's all banded, if you look at his, and but I'm leaving. He's got 2 boxes. Well, yeah, the city's making these trucks leave. Yeah. You gonna get those? Yeah. Yeah, these guys have unstrapped and everything, and they're making them leave. All those guys got to restrap and everything. They're making them leave.
Huh?
They're making them guys leave.
Why?
He says he can't have these trucks in the road like this.
So what about me? They didn't tell me anything, so hopefully I'm good.
Yeah, you're good. Me and you. But that's ridiculous. I mean, it's going to go faster now. Mine was all that stuff.
You gotta back up?
No, I got room to get out. He's still got those 2. I called Channing, and he said I don't need to do anything, but I broke my damn phone when he when he came asking me if I had a first aid kit.
Yeah.
So now they just sent me one, picking up 180 something miles from here and going to North Carolina, only paying like $1,300.
Jeez. This is scary right here. What a spot to be in.
Huh?
What a spot to be in.
I know it.
Yeah.
Well, they shouldn't have scheduled all these trucks at one time, but, you know. You know, they're, yeah. Everybody makes us the bad guy all the time, and we only, you know, we're doing what we're supposed to. We're here to deliver. It's not our fault. It shouldn't be taken out on us. And, you know,
I ain't taking it out on you. I just cannot have this road.
I mean, it's not easy to maneuver a 53-foot trailer around in these towns and stuff like that.